Today we are talking about the Yamaha MT-15 version 2 and what are the new updates in this bike which have come a few days back. We'll talk about why these updates could be important for you as well. I make raw uncut videos for you where I do a one-to-one talk. मैं हूं निखिल, आपका होस्ट मोटरसाइकिल ट्रेल्स पे. Let's ride, learn and evolve. First, the styling. Yamaha has introduced new color options. One is a ice color, bluish silverish. One is a violet metallic, and one is a silver cyan kind of a color. These definitely give the bike a more aggressive street presence, and I think they look really good and they look fresh. And I'm sure they will stand out in the crowd. The biggest upgrade is a full colorful TFT display that connects via the Bluetooth to the Yamaha's Y-Connect app. Now, what's new in this app? You will get turn by turn navigation, which is, I think, there in almost every bike now. You also get maintenance alerts, you get to track your fuel consumption, and you also get parking location reminder. Now, there's another unique rider ranking system which helps you compare your stats with other Yamaha riders. So I think कुछ ना कुछ interesting डाल ही दिया ऐप में. This basically I will turn your MT-15 not just from a performance machine, but it will convert it into a smart riding partner. Imagine this, आपने ride खत्म कर लिया, कहीं पे park किया अपना bike, and later on the app will remind you where your bike was parked. You can also check your mileage and see how efficiently you are riding as compared to other MT-15 riders. So these small things, they are like fun and they make your ride more smart and more convenient. Mechanically, the bike is still the same. It retains a 155cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine with VVA, around 18 horses it creates, with a 6-speed gearbox and a sustained slipper clutch, which has always been great, right? Suspension is still the same, 37 of USD and a rear monoshock at the rear. And you also get same dual disc brakes, dual channel ABS and traction control. So none of that has changed. If you're looking for a bike that's light, fun in the city and exciting on weekend rides, and now much smarter in terms of tech, I think the MT-15 version 2.0 is going to be great. It's a genuinely strong contender. And if you have seen my reels, a friend of mine has done a lot of off-roading on it as well. So I think it's a quite multi-purpose bike which you can enjoy. A lot of girls, they ask which bike they should buy, and I think this could be one of the best bikes you can buy because it is a reliable Yamaha. The seat height is low, it is lightweight. So for women also, I think this can be a very good bike to start on with. So what do you think about the MT-15 update? Do you think it works for you? And drop in a comment. Definitely share and subscribe such videos so that you can keep getting updated on more such videos from me.